Hi everyone, hope you all are good. We are here for grade 7 maths. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 7 and then click on view all lessons. And then click on view all lessons. So there you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter transformations and congruence. And the lessons we're going to start with is side lengths and angle measure of similar figures. So let's just start with the lesson. Basically, we are done with all the lessons from aplusstudents.com. That is the last one from the chapter. So from now on, from the next lessons, we're going to start with the book. Got it? We're going to cover the chapters from the book. So today, that is just the last lesson from the website. Okay, if these two figures are similar, what is the measure of the missing angle? So if you just rotate this image, then this angle is similar to this one. Got it? So it would be 60 degrees. You have to either you rotate this image or this image so that the similar sides on the same side. So it would be similar to 60 degrees. That means the similar angle is 60 degrees. There, here is the one. Corresponding angles in the similar shape have the same measure. You have to rotate the figure to match the corresponding parts. That's how you just rotate the larger image. So now you can see the corresponding image. The corresponding angles are 60 degrees. Got it? Let's just start with the practice questions. Okay. If these two shapes are similar, what is the measure of the missing length Q? Now you are given the shapes. They are the similar shapes. You have to calculate the missing length of the Q. So how do we find the missing length in the similar shape? You have to form the proportion. Got it? Let's just form the proportion on the similar sides. If you rotate the image, the 10 feet is similar to Q and 2 feet is similar to 1. Got it? Just form the proportion. It would be 10 over Q equals 1 over 2. Got it? You have to calculate the value of Q. Just cross multiply. It would be 10 times 2 and Q times 1. So 10 times 2 is, it would be 2 over 1, not 1 over 2. Hold on. It would be 10 and Q. It would be 10 divided by Q equals then 2 divided by 1 it is. Got it? Just cross multiply. So it would be 10 times 1 and 2 times Q. So that would be 10 equals 2Q. Divide both sides by 2. So it would be Q equals 2 times 5 is 10. So it would be 5. That means the missing side length Q equals 5. Got it? It would be 5 feet. So option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, the next one is if the two shapes are similar, what is the measure of the missing angle? You have to rotate the image. Which is the similar angle then? If you rotate the larger image, the similar angle would be this angle and this angle is similar. Got it? Yes, that would be 90 degrees. Very good. If these two shapes are similar, what is the measure of the missing angle? So which is the correct option? Which is the correct option? Yes, that would be 34 degrees. If you rotate this image, the similar angle would be, corresponding angle would be 34 degrees. Very good. Okay. If these two shapes are similar, what is the measure of missing angle? So which is the correct option? Which is the correct option? Yes, very good. You can see this one and this one is the corresponding angle. So it would be 68 degrees. If these two figures are similar, what is the measure of the missing angle? So which is the correct option? Yes, very good. That would be 144. Okay, if these two figures are similar, what is the measure of missing angle? So which is the correct option? Which is the correct option? Very good. That would be 69 degrees. This is the similar angle, corresponding angle. So it would be 69. Okay, if these two figures are similar, what is the measure of the missing angle? Which is the correct option? 120? No, 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 no. If you rotate this image, this one is similar to this. It would be 60 degrees, not 120. See, that is similar to 60. Got it? Okay, if these two shapes are similar, what is the measure of the missing length d? You have to calculate the missing length d. Just form the proportion and calculate the missing length. D is similar to 1 kilometers and 9 is similar to 3 kilometers. So it would be d over 1. You have to form the proportion between the similar sides. It would be d over 1 and then 9 over 3. You have to calculate the value of d. D over 1 is d and 9 over 3 is 3 times 3 is 9. So it would be 3. That means the missing side length d equals 3. Got it? So the correct option is 3 kilometers. Got it, everyone? Okay, if these two figures are similar, what is the measure of missing angle? So which is the correct option? Yes, very good. That equals 117. Okay, Okay, if these two shapes are similar, what is the measure of missing side? Missing length Z. So which is the correct option? Just form the proportion between the similar sides. Z is similar to 1, so it would be Z over 1, and 6 divided by 2. Got it? So it would be Z equals 2 times 3 is 6, so it would be 3. Got it? So it would be Z equals 3. Okay, if these two shapes are similar, what is the measure of missing length P? So which is the correct option? You can calculate the value on your notebook and just let me know the answer. So which is the correct option? Very good. That would be 10. The missing value would be 10 meters. So it would be 10. Okay, if these two figures are similar, what is the measure of the missing angle? So which is the correct option? Which option is the correct one? Which is the missing angle? Very good. If you rotate this image, it would be 119 degrees. Got it? It would be similar to 119. The corresponding angle would be 119. Okay, if these two shapes are similar, what is the measure of missing length H? So which length is missing? It would be 3 yards, not 4. It would be 3 yards, not 4. You guys are guessing the answers. I've already asked you to calculate the values, not to guess. Okay, if these two shapes are similar, figures are similar, what is the measure of missing angle? Very good. That would be 66. The correct option is 66. These two shapes are figures are similar. What is the measure of missing angle? That would be 73. Okay, if these two figures are similar, what is the measure of the missing angle? So which is the correct option? Which is the correct option? 122? Yes, it is 122. Very good. Okay, if these two shape figures are similar, what is the measure of missing angle? Yes, very good. That would be 63. If these two shapes are similar, what is the measure of the missing length? Very good. The missing length is 8 feet. Okay, if these two shapes are similar, what is the measure of the missing length? Which is the correct option? Very good. That would be 1 millimeter. The correct option is 1. Okay, if these two shapes are similar, what is the measure of the missing length G? So, which is the correct option? Very good. The missing length is 3 feet. Okay, we are done with the lesson. Also, we are done with all the lessons from aplusstudents.com. If you need help with any of the lesson, you can search the channel. You can just write down the lesson name with grade as well. You can find all the lessons on the channel. From now onwards, from the next session, I'm going to start covering the book from the chapter 1. So we are done with A Plus website. From the next session, we're going to start with the book. So we're working on grade 7 math. The chapter we're working on is transformations and congruence. Lessons we have covered is side lengths and angle measure of similar figures. So please make sure before the next session you have to complete all the test questions for the lessons we did today. Yes, so early because we are done with the website. We are done with the lesson. From the next session we're going to start with the book. So if you have any question you can ask, any problem related to any lesson you can ask. I will help you for the any lesson or any question if you have any. Please ask if you have any question. No questions? Okay, that's all for today. See you in the next session then. Bye everyone.